Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green with our latest installment of Best Plants. This one is one of our all-time favorites to use because it can be used in the sun, it can be used in the shade. It's very, very hardy. This one is Giant Liriope. The normal Liriope is a spreader and turns into a ground cover, and we've actually had some issues with the normal Liriope having fungal issues or a root rot. These seem to be resistant to that. Uh, this is not too long after a major freeze that we had some months ago, and that's why you can see some of the brown below. But you can see these plants bounced back and they did great. You can trim the back if you want to, but you don't really need to. They grow up just fine, and they'll get somewhere around 2 feet tall, so quite a bit taller than than the normal Liriope. But we like to use these as a nice kind of a filler plant. That's a nice layer in the front of some of the other plants. It's a dwarf size plant that we use. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Ken with Village Green, local experience you can trust.